What's good, YouTube? It's Khalil the Mechanic, back with another quick tutorial for window tinting. So here I have this, what is it? 2023 Kia K5, brand new vehicle in for some tint today. And of course, tinting the whole car, we're doing the back window. And if you notice here, we have this third brake light. The tint doesn't stop here, it stops all the way up here. Or it will stop all the way up there. So we have to remove that third brake light. And I started to do it, and I was like, you know what? Let me make a quick video for it. So all you will need is a 10 millimeter, whether it's a wrench or a socket and ratchet. And you can use this, but it wasn't really needed because the clips at the top came out super easy. So let me show you how to get it out real quick. So come here. Let me close the garage a bit. Sunlight's kind of bright. Okay. All right, so if you look in here or in the back, we have these clips in the ceiling here. We have 1, 2, and 3. I was able to just get my hand in there and just pop them down. They weren't tight at all. And then I'm gonna put you in the back window. So after popping this down, if you look, we have a screw here, here, and there's one here, and one here, and then there's a clip in the middle. So it's not hard to do, it's just a tight space. So I'm gonna get a better ratchet. One. All right. And then you see how easily I just basically like pressed it down just a bit and comes right out. And then we have an electrical harness right here on the side. Just push the tab in and that's how you get it out. Thanks for watching and happy tinting.